Binturong is a member of the viverridae family or more, familiarly known as weasels. They have a long and stocky body accompanied by a rough black fur that ends with grayish. The original habitat of the binturong is tropical rainforest, ranging from India, China, to several countries in Southeast Asia, including Indonesia. Because their habitat is filled with trees, they tend to spend their time climbing from one tree to another. They even sleep on tree branches. Not only that, Binturong also has at least 5 interesting, unique facts for you to know. Binturong is known as the beer cat. Binturong has various other names that vary in various places. One of the most popular names is beer cat. This is because their face at a glance similar to a cat. In addition, the way they walk is also very similar to a bear, so that the nickname beer cat is attached to this animal. Reported by Wired, Binturong is not related to cats or bears. Nevertheless, they have similarities with the two animals. Reported by Wired, Binturong is not related to cats or bears. Nevertheless, they have similarities with the two animals. As previously explained, binturongs belong to the Viverridae family, which is known as a group of small to medium-sized ancient mammals that are only found in the Old World East Hemisphere. One of the carnivores that have a prehensile tail. One of the uniqueness of the binturong lies in its thick and very muscular tail. The tail can be used by binturongs as additional hands. So that the tail can hold something like a hand. In fact, binturong children use their tails to hang on tree branches. Reported by the San Diego Zoo, the tail that can function as an additional hand is called a prehensile. The prehensile tail itself is usually owned by monkey species and is very rarely owned by carnivorous animals. It is written that there are only 2 types of carnivores in the world that have prehensile tails, namely kinkajou and binturong. It is written that there are only two types of carnivores in the world that have prehensile tails, namely kinkajou and binturong. Like other types of civets or viverridae, binturongs also have a distinctive scent that they can emit from their bodies. The distinctive aroma of the binturong emits from the glands under its tail. If most other types of weasels emit an unpleasant aroma, the binturong is different. Reported by Wired, for humans the smell emitted by binturongs is very similar to the smell of popcorn.